Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Royal Architecture. I am Amrit Kumar. In today's video, I am going to show you one of our completed projects, a 10-year-old 3 BHK flat renovation in Nagar Bangalore. Welcome. This property is a resale flat which is around 10 years old. In our previous video, I had shown you the ongoing progress of this project, and now I am excited to show you the finally completed renovation. Before showing you the final outcome, let me first show you how the house looked before renovation. Now, let me take you on a quick tour of the house after the renovation. A home is an emotion, a place where we come to relax and forget our daily stress. So, a home should always reflect the lifestyle and requirements of the family. That's where Royal Architecture comes in. We are specialized in old home renovation and interior design, customized according to the customer needs and lifestyle. Now, let's step inside. The living area is the first impression of the home and should reflect the lifestyle and taste of the family. So we designed this space with a modern contemporary look. We have created dedicated provisions to store helmet, newspaper and handbags, making the unit more stylish and functional. The TV unit and the pooja unit are designed in perfect proportion to create a beautiful contrast in the living space. One special highlight is the pooja mandapam, which has been restored as it has been a part of the family for generations. The concealed profile lighting along with the chandelier gives a minimalist and elegant finish to the living area. Now, let's move to the heart of every home, the kitchen. We designed the kitchen with a minimalist and sleek appearance. It includes high storage tall units on both the sides, base units and wall units. The laminates used provide a clean and elegant look. We also made dedicated provisions for essential appliances such as chimney for microwave and refrigerator. Now let's move to the utility area, which is an essential extension of the kitchen. In the utility area, we have provided space for washing machine, sink for daily usage. This ensures functionality and convenience. Coming to the guest bedroom, we believe Atithi Devo Bhava. Guest is God. So we gave equal importance to this room by designing a spacious wardrobe and lock storage. Welcome to the master bedroom. Now let's move into the head of the family room, the master bedroom. Take a look at this wardrobe design. Grey laminate used in higher proportion, light wooden laminate used in minimal proportion, and block black handle, giving a premium finishing look. One special highlight is the bay window concept, where the family can sit and enjoy evening coffee. Now let's move to the balcony attached to the master bedroom. Earlier, this wall was not present, so we created this wall to provide better privacy for the master bedroom. Now, let's move to the future generation room, the kids' bedroom. The daughter is 8 years old and she wanted a bright and lively room, especially with pink theme. So we designed the room using the light pink theme across the interiors. Important highlight is the minimal study table with wall-mounted storage, which is designed for comfort and productivity. The major scope of this renovation project included 2 bathroom renovations, 1 common bathroom and 1 master bedroom attached bathroom. Before showing you the renovated bathrooms, let me first show you how the bathrooms looked earlier. Now, let's take a look at the newly renovated bathrooms. Last but not the least, the entire house electrical system was renovated as per the interior's requirement. Painting is an essential part of every renovation project. So we selected a cool theme for the entire house to create a calm and elegant environment. So this is the story of the 10-year-old resale 3 BHK flat renovation at Amit Harmony Apartments, RR Nagar, Bangalore. If you are planning to renovate your old home, feel free to contact us. For more videos on old home renovation projects, make sure to call us today and subscribe to our channel Royal Architecture Bangalore. Thank you for watching.